What's up guys, welcome back to the Cherry Garage. Today we are gonna do another mod on my E90 335i. Today we're gonna do a little cosmetic mod. I got some new gauge faces. I believe this is kind of based off the 1M, and I'm gonna show you how I do it. So I got these off of eBay from E9x, and they actually supplied a pretty nice little instructions, which I'm gonna pretty much follow. There is two screws right here. There's one here and one right there. This is gonna be a T10 Torx bit. So once you pull those two screws out, you can really, literally with just my fingers, I'm able to pull this down like this. There's just one cable back here.
You move that bar back. There we go.
Oh, okay. So it's one of these little lever ones. You press here, which allows this lever to release, which will then pop it off.
There we go. That's the way to do it.
So there's four screws, here, here, and then down there, and right there.
T10.
Again, T10, you're gonna take those out. Once you get the screws out, there are still some tabs. There's two right here, and two down there. Oh, and there's ones on the sides too.
Now, ta-da! Yeah, just use a trim remover tool and pop them out safely. Go straight up, don't go at an angle. Yeah, scrape off any pieces left behind.
Once you get your old ones off and you clean it off as whatever makes you satisfied, you can peel off the backing.
Don't forget the speedometer goes on the left side.
So yeah, you just line up these holes, really. You don't want to push it down until everything's lined up. You don't press down in the middle because there's a little bit of indentation and it can make things bubbly, so you're supposed to just go around. So now that those are in, you're gonna put your needles back in. Back at that zero position, the same way that you removed them. Get this little female end over the pin down there. And that's in there. You get that on, get it clean as you can. Yeah, then you can go ahead and install this back on. Make sure you get this little button that you click for service stuff to line up. And then the rest of it, you're just sliding it down. You see all these clips, so I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze it in there. And now it's clipped in. There's that look at it. So once you get that thing clipped in, you're gonna get your four T10 screws back in. All right, we're gonna put her back in the car now. Come in through the side.
But just reverse the process and install it. Before you screw it in, test it out.
It's a good call.
Oh, that looks sick. All right, now go up to 20 miles an hour.
Oh, that looks tight. All right, yeah, so all you have to do after that is just replace your T10 screws that go up there from the beginning, and you'll be all set to go with your new gauges. Go ahead and subscribe so you see more cool E90 content. Like this video if it helped you, and leave a comment if you got any questions.